Children, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, that is environmental pollution. So children, what is pollution? Pollution is the harm caused to the environment by different activities, that is environmental pollution. Due to increasing population, urbanization and industrialization, our environment is getting polluted. What are the reasons? Population, urbanization and industrialization. These are the important reasons for environmental pollution. Environmental pollution poses a threat to our survival in the years to come. Pollution are of four types: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. These are the four types of pollution. Out of the four pollution, first I want to explain air pollution. What is air pollution? When harmful gases and other particles mix in the air, then they cause air pollution. Natural causes as well as increased human activities cause air pollution. Natural causes are all there and also human activities which cause air pollution. What are the natural causes for air pollution? Sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires and pollens from plants and flowers are the natural causes of air pollution. As I told you, sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, pollens from plants and flowers. Let me explain what is sandstorm, due to which air pollution causes. Sandstorm is a storm of small particles of sand and dirt. This happens when a strong wind front blows loose sand and dust from a dry surface. Particles are picked up and suspended in the air, causing soil erosion where they were. The wind drops them into another place where they can form silt. Let's come to volcanic eruptions. Children, what is volcanic eruption? Volcanic eruptions happen when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. These gases causes air pollution. Let's discuss about forest fires. So wildfire or forest fire, it is also known as wildfire, which can be described as any uncontrolled and unprescribed combination or burning of combustion of this is the uncontrolled and non-prescribed combustion or burning of plants in a natural setting such as a forest, grassland, browse of lands, etc. Forest fire emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that causes air pollution. Next comes pollens from plants and flowers. Pollens from plants and flowers mix with air and causes air pollution. Now come to the human activities. How human activities causes air pollution. As we know, human activities like smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, smoke from burning of fuels, these are some of the activities for which we are causing air pollution. Sometimes pollutants produced combine of natural substances and cause us great harm. Smoke combined with fog forms smog, which can cause breathing problems. These are some of the human activities which cause air pollution. Smoke releases carbon dioxide, which is in the atmosphere, which is very harmful for all living beings. Children, today I discussed air pollution. Out of the four: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, I explained air pollution. In the next video, I will explain the others. Thank you children for watching this video.